Good morning, children. Yesterday we have seen how to bisect a given angle. Now today we are going to learn how to copy a given angle. Means if one angle of any measurement is given and you have to construct without using the protractor the copy of that given angle. Okay, beta? To construct an angle, equal in measure to a given angle using compass and ruler. So here we do not use the protractor. So without using the protractor, I will copy down the given angle. Okay. So for that we will draw an angle of any measure. See, here is angle ABC. It is given and you have to construct a PQ angle PQR, which measure is equal to angle ABC. Here is point A. B is the vertex of this angle and it is C. Okay, and you have to draw an angle PQR equals to ABC. So for that beta we need base of the angle, that is QR. So we will draw QR. QR is the base of this angle PQR. Okay. Now see better. We will use the use of compass. Okay. So place the, now see, it is my compass. Place the compass point at vertex B. Here we will place the point of the compass. And taking a convenient distance, so you can take any convenient distance. Draw an arc to cut the ray BA. So place over this vertex B and cut an arc like this, which cut rays AB at point D and ray BC at point E. Okay. Now without disturbing this distance, see, it is the distance equal to this arc. So without disturbing this distance, you have to place the pointer of the compass on Q and draw an arc like this, which cut ray QR at point P. So it is the point D where this arc cut QR. Now place the pointer on E and open the compass and measure this distance D, ED. Okay. So from this point E, we will measure the distance ED. Okay. Like this. Okay. Now without disturbing this, you have to place the pointer of the compass on point B and cut the previous arc. Now see here, you will get the new point of intersection S. So mark down this point S. Okay, after that beta, match this point Q and S and draw a ray PQ. So adjust your scale properly so that the ray will pass through point Q and S. So here is point P. So in this way, you can copy down the given angle without using the protractor like this. Now we will measure the distance. Measure angle whether both are same or not. So with the help of protractor, we will measure. So place the pointer on B and mask the baseline and the ray BC like this. Okay. So this angle is of 60 degree. Now place the pointer on PQ, match the baseline and ray QR and see beta. The angle is of 60 degree. So in this way, we will construct the given angle and its copy. Now let us see better to construct an angle of 90 degree. Okay, so for that, first draw a line AB. Or so here we have drawn a line, baseline. So the name is, it is point O and it is the ray. So here is point A. Okay. Now with O as a center, here I am taking a point O. So we will take a point O here. So with that center O, we will draw an arc which cuts this ray A. With O as a center and any suitable radius. So we will take any suitable radius, draw an arc intersecting OA and D. So place your pointer on this point P. Okay. So it intersects the ray A at point D. So it is the point D. With D as a center and the same radius, draw an arc intersecting the previous arc. So with the same distance, so without disturbing this, place your pointer on point B and mark a point N. Cut the previous arc on point N. Again, without disturbing the distance, place the pointer on N and mark another arc. And so it is point N. Okay. Now we will take the distance more than this half. one by one, place the pointer on point M and N. Draw two arcs. Now place on M. So here you will get another point. Now you can say it is point S. Now match this point S and O properly and join them. See beta, properly arrange your scale and draw a ray through this. Okay. So here you can give the name B. So measure of angle BO and A is exact 90 degree. You can check this with the help of your protractor. Place the pointer on O. Center of the point, this is on O, and match the baseline and the ray OA. Now see, it is exact 90 degree. Okay. You can construct, see beta, it is the construction of 90 degree. Okay. So I'm giving you one homework. You have to construct an angle of 90 degree and bisect it. Now see children, if you bisect this 90 degree, what you get? Half of 90 is 45 degrees. So like this. Okay, so let us bisect this. Now see beta, already we have an arc. Okay. So one by one we will place the pointer on this D and here. Here this arc intersect on this point. Okay. So one by one we will place here and here. So let us give the name P. Okay. So take a distance more than this D, arc PD, and mark an arc like this. Okay. And avoid overdrawing. Now without disturbing this, place the pointer on P and cut the previous arc like this. So here you will get the new point of intersection. Now match this point and point O, draw a ray through this. So properly match this. See like this, first match the scale, arrange the scale properly and draw. Okay. Now see, let us measure whether it is 45 degree or not. So with the help of protractor, we will measure. Now place the center on the point O and match baseline and the ray OA. Now see beta, see, it is exact 45 degree. Okay, so in this way, you can construct so here we will give a name. Now see children, what happens if you bisect this 45 degree? Further bisection, you will get an angle of 22.5 degree. Okay, now see measure of angle BOA. Equals to 90 degree. Now measure of angle COA, or you can say BOC. BOC is equal to measure of angle COA, and it equals to 45 degree. Okay, so you must have to write down this degree, a small circle over this. It is the unit of angle. So angles are measured in degrees. Got it, beta? Okay, so I am giving you one homework. Your homework, beta, you have to construct an angle of first 90 degree, then bisect it, you will get the 45 degree, then again bisect this 45 degree, you will get the 22 and a half, that is 22.5 degree angle. Okay, so try these three angles. Bye bye, children.